Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. So, here we are going to start our exercise 1. Exercise 1 of unit number 1. Unit number 1 is operations on set. Okay, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. You have to do fill in the blanks on your book. Okay, we'll start to understand these concepts. Question number 1, fill in the blank. If A is equal to A, T, E, then N of A, what should be? The elements of a set A is A, T, and E. So you have to tell about what the N of A is. What is N of A? You know, N of A. N of A is what? We have discussed this in previous lectures that N of A is equal to the cardinal numbers. Okay, what are the cardinal numbers? We have discussed this in the previous lectures. As in our book has the definition that the number of elements of a set is called cardinal number. सेट में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उनको काउंट कर लिया जाए तो उसके कार्डिनल नंबर बन जाते हैं. लेट्स सपोज दैट हम यहाँ से कोई सेट ले लेते हैं. सपोज दैट दिस इज़ अ ए सेट. हाउ मैनी एलिमेंट्स इन दिस सेट? सो वी शुड काउंट द number of elements of set A. 2, 4 and 6. So what should be N of A? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. N of A should be 1, 2, 3. कितना आया? 3. So this is the cardinal number. Same case with this fill in the blank. This. If A is equal to A, T and E, so you should count the number of elements in this set A, T and E. 1, 2, 3. How many N of A's are? 3. Okay. Start moving towards next fill in the blank. If B is equal to, okay, ये set लिखा हुआ है. Okay, move towards next fill in the blank. If B is equal to letter in the word banana. Okay, if we have set in which we have a letter of word banana, so what is this? Look at this. Then we have to tell about what is N of B. We have a set in which we have letters of word banana. Okay, we can write this B, N, B, na. So if we write in a set form, this should be the notation, na? Okay, so we should tell about N of B. What should be N of B? Count number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this the right way to count the number of letters, or is this the right way to write this set? No, this is not the right way. There is a restriction to make sets, that elements in a sets cannot be repeated. Look at this. B, A, N, A. A is repeating now. N is also repeating now. And A is also repeating now. There is a restriction in set. We cannot repeat elements in our set. So we should make our set again. What is the set? B, A, and N. This is the right set now. Now write N of B, yani cardinal number of elements in a set. This is the definition. 1, 2, 3. So N of B is 3. Our answer is 3. Is it clear to you? Okay. Moving towards next. C is equal to X. This column shows that such that. X such that is a counting number. X एक counting number है less than 10, जो कि 10 से less है. Okay. Write in a set form as this fill in the blank is in set builder notation. Okay, convert this in set form. Okay, is this C set? C is equal to x is a counting number है less than 10, जो 10 से छोटा है, not equal to 10. So we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 10, as it is less than 10. Clear? Okay, now write what is, we have to tell in this fill in the blank what is n of c. Now write n of c is equal to, count the number of elements in a set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of course it's 9, so our answer is 9. Write 9 here also. 9. Okay, move towards next fill in the blank. X such that, X is a letter in the word sleep. This is the same as in second fill in the blank. You should do it by yourself. Okay, I'm moving towards fifth. X such that, X is an odd number. X such that, we have to make set first also. Okay, make it a set. X such that, X is an odd number. X such that, X एक ऐसा number है which is an odd, जो कि odd number है. Okay, divisible by 2. Clear it first, then we move towards this, which is an odd number. Okay, are you clear about the concept of odd number? Okay, odd number are that number which can odd number are that number which cannot be divisible by 2. Okay, odd numbers are that numbers that cannot be divisible by 2. For example, number 3. For example, number 5, as number 3 cannot divisible by 2 and number 5 cannot divisible by 2, because 3 cannot comes in table of 2 and 5 doesn't come. But instead, if we write 4, yes, it's not an odd number as it's divisible by 2. Okay, I think you are familiar also. Okay, we should move. X such that, X an odd number divisible by 2. X एक ऐसा नंबर है जो कि odd भी हो. आपने सेट ऐसे नंबर्स का बनाना है जो कि odd भी हो और divisible by 2 भी हो. So this is the wrong statement. There doesn't exist any set which have odd numbers and also divisible by 2. It means that this set is empty. Okay, so this set is empty. Then he said tell the n of e, yani cardinal number of e. So empty set, तो there are 0 cardinal numbers. ऐसे set में कोई भी element exist नहीं करता. Fine, move towards fill in true false. 0 is a null set. null set की definition आपको पता है. empty set जिसमें कोई element ना हो, या null set same बात है. तो दे आर सेट की 0 एक सेट है जिसमें 0 एलिमेंट है and is a null set, और वो null set है. So this is absolutely false, as there is only one element, that is 0. Set doesn't concern with 0. Set doesn't concern with 0. Set means there is one element, rather it could be 0 or not. Okay, move towards next. Equivalent sets. Definitions अगर आपने पढ़ी हैं तो आप बड़े अच्छे से इसको कर सकते हैं. Equivalent sets contains the same number of elements. Equivalent sets have we should recall the definition of equivalent sets. Yes, okay. Equivalent sets have same elements and equivalent sets have same number of elements. It means if for equivalent set, I am explaining if there is 3 elements in first set, then it should be 3 elements in the second set. We haven't concerned with the same elements, but number of elements should be same. Fill in the blank. Second, equivalent sets contain the same number of elements. Yeah, it's true. It is the definition of equivalent sets. The cardinality of the set of the positive integers is infinity. Yeah, it's absolutely true. How? He said cardinality of the set of the positive integers. If we write a set of positive integers with the no range defined, oh, this cardinality yani n of the set of the positive integers, he actually in this set he doesn't mention any limit here. Cardinality of set of positive integers is infinity. If he mentioned any limit like cardinality of the set of positive integers less than 50, okay, so we couldn't predict that it's infinity. If we write cardinality of positive integers 1 2 3 4 5 up to so on, we haven't any limit ki where we should stop. So infinity, the word infinity, the word infinity means this yani not ending. It's move on and move on. Yeah, it's absolutely true. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, it's also true. I write false here. Move towards fifth true false. The difference between two sets is equal to their intersection. So try to understand this line. The difference between two sets is equal to their intersection. If we write in the mathematical form, like it means that we have two sets A and B. What is here? We have two sets. Difference between two sets, it means A minus B. Then difference between two is equal, so we should write equal here to understand this line. We are writing in this form to understand is it true or not. So difference between two set means A minus B is equal, so write equal here, is equal to their intersection. उन्हीं के intersection के बराबर है, यानी A और B के intersection के बराबर है. So this statement is absolutely false. Yeah, you are familiar with the concept about difference of sets and intersection of sets. Move on. जब हम questions करेंगे आप ज़्यादा इसके बारे में clear हो जाएंगे. But you know intersection में हम common elements लिख लेते हैं, common elements हम write कर लेते हैं, okay? But in difference you'll see also after discussion, different set में हम common elements को हम cut out कर देते हैं, okay? So these statements are opposite. How it can be equal? No, this is not equal, so it's absolutely false. We will write false here. Okay, we are done with the question number 1 and question number 2. Move towards question number 3 and 4, and of course question number 5 will be your homework. You will do this by yourself. It's very easy concept. These are based upon your previous concepts of grade 6. Question number 3. Okay, set A has element 2 4 6 and 8, and set B has elements 1 3 5 and 7. Okay, what we have to find? A union B. Write A set first. 2 4 6 and 8. Union sign B set 1 3 5 and 7. Find A union B. But we have to do in union. We combined every element, doesn't repeat any element, and write every element in arranged form. Okay, 1 next element is 2 3 4 5 यहाँ से 6 यहाँ से 7 and 8. we tried कि हम अपने एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज्ड फॉर्म में लिखें, बट कोई एलिमेंट्स रिपीट ना करें. रेपिटिशन नहीं होनी चाहिए. सेट में रेपिटिशन नहीं होती. वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इट. Okay, this is A union B, and you are done with the question number 3. This is your answer. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. If A is equal to 3, 6, and 9, and B is equal to 5. Look at this set. This is 5. 5 means, okay, I'll explain it. But we have to find A union B. A union B. Okay, write A union B. 3, 6, and 9 union B set. Beta, this is the set 5. 5 means empty set. ठीक है, empty null set जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. So this is empty set. Our answer is the whole A set. 3, 6, and 9. A union B. So we are done with question number 4 answer. Okay, 5. We'll do 5 also. I'll explain it. For first part I'll explain. Second and third you can do by yourself. Question number 5. Right, we have to find first part we have to find R intersection T. What is R set in our book? We'll write from this 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, there is I'll write it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 intersection sign and T set. What is T here? 1 2 5 and 7. Okay, intersection. We have to find intersection now. So intersection, in intersection we only write common elements. I know about it. You are excuse me, you're already familiar about this concept. Common elements. What's common in both sets? 1 is 1 is common? Yeah, 1 is common, right? 2 is no, 2 doesn't common. 3, yeah, 3 is also common, right? 3 here. 4, no, 4 doesn't present in both sets. 5, yeah, 5 is common. 6, no, 6 is not common. So this is our answer. We are done with the question number 5 also. Part 2nd and part 3rd is your homework. Okay students, best of luck. Do these questions except question number 1 and 2 on your notebooks, and of course post on knowledge platform. I'll check it. Bye bye.